What's up guys, Jordan from Billy's Tavern Homebrewing, and today we're going to be looking at the Ss Hop Spider from Ss Brewtech. This thing just came out about a week and a half or two ago. Told my wife I needed a new one. I didn't really, but I did want it because I saw a picture of it and I was like, that thing looks sweet, so definitely need that. Also got the new, well it's not new, but it's new to me, 10-gallon Brewmaster Edition brew kettle. Figured that one will be good. So, but we're going to be focusing on this today, the Hop Spider. I'm going to be unboxing it, giving you guys the first look of it out of the box. And so with that, let's get right into it. It's pretty cool. Alright, so it comes in its box, you unbox it, everything's kind of separated. You got to put it together. There's no instructions, however, it is pretty self-explanatory. I did, however, put the rubber silicone gasket on upside down, but we fixed it post-video, so we're all good. This is intended for use with the single vessel brew system, the Ss Brewtech TC brew kettles, 10-gallon, 15-gallon, and 20-gallon, and then the Ss Brewtech e-kettles. It is not compatible with 30-gallon and 50-gallon brew kettles or the 5.5 mini brew kettle. It also has a 400 micron photochemical etching, an adjustable mounting arm, and a removable basket for easy cleaning. It is 304 stainless steel and high temp silicone, so it has those little nice silicone handles, a 6-inch basket diameter and a 15.5-inch basket height, with 15-inch adjustment arm minimum length and 18-inch adjustment arm maximum length. It is really nice quality. I can't complain on that. I'm not quite sure if it was really worth the price point of $99.95. Time will tell on that. We'll see how long it'll hold up. It fits really nice in the kettle, of course. Again, the quality is nice. It has some nice durable. It feels real durable. I didn't know the Hop Spider could look so sleek. So we'll see how it plays out on my first brew day when I use it, or my first brew day with it. So we'll see. Stay tuned for that. I might drop another video, or you can be on the lookout for it in my next brew day video. But otherwise, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this. Hopefully you liked it. Leave a thumbs up if you did. If you didn't, leave a thumbs down. It's all good. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.